Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very necessary. But today we ain't gonna cook. We are going to do some thorough deep cleaning. Yeah, as you can see, your girl, my kitchen sink is dirty and I need to make it new. In fact, I need to clean and shine it. Yes, sometimes our sink can be dirty due to fat, grease, oil, hard water, and a whole lot. You can see I have some dark black spots in my sink. Yes, so I really need to clean it. Periodically, I do a thorough cleaning, but today I want to share with you my lovely people so you can also try it at home. Yes, so you can see I need to clean all these dark spots from my sink, the drainage area, clean it thoroughly for it to be new and shining. Yes, so why don't you join me? Let's clean and shine my kitchen sink together. Yes, so you know what? Let's get started. So like I said, we need just two basic ingredients we always use at home. So this is my bicarbonate powder or baking soda. Yes. And then we also need lemon. So you can use this lemon depending on the size of your sink. You might need about 3 or 4. Yes. And then if you are not using this, you can use the lemon juice like I am using here. Yes, so you can get this lemon juice, already made lemon juice. And then this is my sponge I'll be using to clean. And then this is my paper towel also to wipe the water away. And then this is the wire sponge to do the major work. And please ensure to put on your gloves. Very necessary. So let's get started. So I get a bowl and then I make a paste of my baking soda and then the lemon juice. So this is about 4 tablespoons of baking soda, and then I add about half cup lemon juice to it. Lemon juice is an acid and baking soda is a base, so the two react together to form water and salt when you mix them like this. So basically you can also use water and salt to do your cleaning, and of which I'll share in another video how I do that one too as well. Yeah, so now our solution is ready, so we just spread it on every area or every part of the sink like I'm doing here. So you pour it everywhere, beneath the tap, all corners of the sink, the drainage area. We want to get everywhere shining. So after that, I spread it around with my hand and then wait for about 10 to 15 minutes before I start with my scrubbing. Yes. So with my wire sponge, I scrub every part of the sink as I'm doing here. With a little pressure. Yes, you need to give it some pressure. Trust me, it's a lot of hard work, but it's worth it. As a corporate lady, your sink needs to be shining. I hope you understand. Yes, we don't want any dirty sink in our house or in our homes. So periodically we need to shine our sink. So I scrub and scrub and scrub. Girls, scrub. And then I give it a first rinse with water. And you can see the beauty is unfolding gradually. So I use my liquid soap or dishwashing soap with my sponge, and then I give it a second scrub. Yeah, but this time a smooth one. Yes, to bring out the shining part of its ear. So I clean the wall as well. Then I rinse it with water again. And then recheck if any part is still dark. And then just look at that. Our kitchen sink is new again. So why don't you give this a try at home, and I'm sure you're gonna love the results. Very simple to do. And your home will be neat. Just look at that. Just look at that. So please try this and send me a comment. Now my kitchen sink is new again. So thank you so much for your likes, your comments, and your subscription.